Long range for extended journeys.
Diesel power redefined. A powerful SUV ready for any terrain.
It belongs to the 2500 HD Class Series, top choice in heavy-duty trucks.
Diesel power redefined. The diesel engine is ideal for high torque and heavy loads, strong enough for trailers and cargo.
Designed for off-road and towing purposes, master of rugged terrains.
Powerful and durable diesel engine.
Fast and strong performance.
Torque, 1,075 pound-feet, highest in its class. Extreme torque for heavy trailers.
Smooth and easy gear shifting.
Diesel allows heavy towing and cargo with ease. Perfect for long drives and heavy tasks.
Long range for extended journeys.
Haul the heaviest trailers effortlessly. Carry more cargo with confidence.
Ideal for towing trailers and heavy loads. Built for all tasks.
Highest load-bearing capacity in its class. King of heavy-duty trucks. More power, better efficiency. Complete control on tough off-road paths. Comfort even on bumpy trails. Full protection from below. Spacious cabin and cargo bed.
Aggressive look with strong tires. Luxury and comfort inside.
Payload. Safe and relaxed driving every time.
Easy towing with advanced tech.
Powerful SUV at a competitive price. Get ready for the new model soon.